Today I'm going to show you how to make Shanwari Karahi. A quick and easy recipe. Add tablespoon of ghee. I'm going to add chicken. I'm going to fry the chicken. Chicken is frying. We're going to add garlic, little ginger. Add that into our chicken and salt. We're going to have 3 large tomatoes. Add those into our chicken. Let it cover and cook for 30 minutes. Chop my green chilies. These are our green chilies we're going to add. We'll be back in 30 minutes. Tomato got tender and chicken is still cooking. Add our first onion and our green chilies. Chicken is almost cooked. This is our last step. Fry a little bit. Taste the salt. All the tomatoes are cooked. The black pepper. I'm going to squeeze lime. Add cilantro and thinly slice it. And we're ready to serve. Add more lime as well. Enjoy chicken karahi with flaky naan. Oh, this is so good.